So if you're planning on going to Tijuana, I can help, really can. It's really easy to walk over the bridge near San Diego and right into Mexico. I should know. In my last Tijuana video, I was visiting San Diego. I saw a brochure about spending the day in TJ and I figured, why not? I parked the car in San Isidro at the border, which is about 15 minutes from San Diego, and I waltzed right into Mexico. What I didn't have at the time was my passport or any cash, as I'm an all credit card type guy. Now, the people in Mexico did not care that I didn't have a passport. They waved me right in. No cash? Well, that's another story. And getting back into the USA was also another story, and it took some finagling. My California Real ID, which is an enhanced driver's license, saved my hide and got me home. That was in 2022. For my most current 2024 visit, Mexico was as lax as ever. The only thing I had to do was put my backpack through security. I was never once asked to show a passport. Now, I did bring some cash with me this time, which was a good thing, as most stores, especially the ones selling all those great street tacos, wanted dollars, not credit cards. It took me about 30 minutes to get through the line back into the USA, and once at the gate, for the purposes of video journalism, when they asked me for the passport, I told them I had a Real ID. I received so many comments in the last Tijuana video telling me that a Real ID was all you needed, but not this time. That wasn't good enough for the guards. They told me, passport. That's it, passport. That's what we need to see. So I reached into the backpack and I showed my papers, and here I am. So what you need to know if you're going to go to Tijuana from San Diego. A trolley from San Diego will take you directly to the plaza at the border, which is called Ped East. The 17-mile trip will take you about 45 minutes. You could try driving over the border instead, waiting forever to get through, and then try to figure out how to park in a strange country. So you could take the trolley, or you could drive and park in one of the many lots at the border, and then just walk across. In less than a mile, once you pass through the Mexico clearing station, you're there in Tijuana. Another idea, you could board a shuttle bus from the parking lot. It'll take you directly through to the main tourist area of Tijuana for about $20, and that's the easy part. Once you're ready to come home, whether on foot or via a return ticket on the shuttle bus, there could be a long line of people waiting to get through, whether you're walking or waiting for the bus. It could take you hours or as little as 30 minutes, which is what it took me on the last trip. The shuttle bus does not make the line disappear. Now, the best experience of them all, as I've told you, is booking a tour and having a local help navigate your way through the streets of Tijuana. You can find our guide Natalie on Airbnb by searching in the experiences section, Tijuana, and quote, walk and learn in the streets of Tijuana, unquote. That's her tour. There are several other tour options as well. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks so much for watching Photowalks TV. This is the time where I say, hey everybody, please subscribe to Photowalks TV right here on YouTube. Please like, please comment, please share. Let me hear from you below, and please stay tuned for more episodes. I'll see you on the next edition of Photowalks TV.